What kinds of hobbies do you have? We use them to pass the time, learn new skills, and meet new acquaintances. But did you realize they have a huge earning potential? Money-making hobbies are an excellent way to help set yourself up financially. Maybe you believe you don't have any talent or interests that might earn you money. But if you become inventive and don't give up, almost anything can make you money. Everything you like doing, from arranging closets to driving your vehicle, might be a golden opportunity. Not sure where to start? In this video, we'll be discussing 10 creative ways to monetize your passion and turn your hobby into a lucrative source of income. This list might help you find something that will be a good match for you. So please watch it till the end, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Number 1. Writing. Many people believe that skilled writers are always in demand, and this is true. There are several methods to specialize, ranging from website pages to articles. Create your own website to begin promoting yourself as a freelance writer. It may take some time to build up to the rates you want to charge, but the benefit of a side hustle is that you'll have the time to get your company up and running with no risk. The current average writer's income is $62,553, according to ZipRecruiter. Number 2. Drawing. There are several methods to earn money through drawing. One option is to get your artwork printed on t-shirts and other items. Print-on-demand websites such as Redbubble and Society6 will print your drawings on a range of items such as mugs and calendars. Moreover, these sites will handle all shipping for you. You can also register to be a vendor at an art or craft event. In addition to your artwork, you may charge a fee to draw caricatures of the attendees. Number 3. Baking. Selling your baked products is a terrific way to supplement your income. People are always happy to spend money on handmade desserts. In fact, homemakers are increasingly marketing their unique treats. Baking for holidays, particularly celebrations like birthdays, is an excellent way to get started. You can also promote your baked products on platforms like Instagram, sell them on websites like Etsy, or create your own website for your bakery. Number 4. Make YouTube videos. Are you skilled? Or at the very least, are you entertaining or funny? You may establish a YouTube channel and make videos or even blog about your life. You may monetize after you start accumulating views and subscriptions. Developing the channel takes time, but it may potentially be a huge semi-passive revenue stream. Number 5. Photography. If you have a keen eye for capturing special moments, you might find success in the field of photography. Photographers are often hired to capture family photos, engagements, and other special occasions. Pick your expertise, create a website, promote your work on social media, and start earning additional money. Number 6. Music. Do you like music? Turn your interest in music into a source of cash. You may generate money from music by utilizing a streaming service or a distribution network. Since most people listen to music on streaming services like Apple Music or Spotify, posting your tracks to these platforms may be an excellent approach to getting exposure. You can also employ a distribution network to get your music distributed to all of the big streaming platforms. Number 7. Driving. If you have some spare time and reside in a major city, you may be able to work as a driver for others. Working with Uber or Lyft is an option. Perhaps you'll think about conducting food deliveries as well. It's simple, and if you love driving, you can rapidly earn some money. Number 8. Social media management. This is one of the more recent money-making hobbies. Do you like Instagram and being up to date on the newest online trends? You might make a living as a social media manager. Several company owners use freelancers for marketing and everyday work on Facebook, LinkedIn, and other platforms. You may learn many of the necessary skills along the way. Number 9. Book reviews. If you are a quick reader who appreciates well-written sentences, this may be the job for you. Several websites, such as Online Book Club and Readsy, recruit book reviewers. Businesses have various expectations for what they want in a review. Plus, you not only get some additional money, but you also get to spend your time reading. Number 10. Investing. It's a long-term technique, but it's one of the greatest instances of a hobby that pays. Begin by looking at options such as index funds. To develop your ideal investment portfolio, you will most likely combine numerous approaches. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.